In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove liked posts on LinkedIn. If you want to clean up your LinkedIn activity, manage older content, or simply remove something from your profile that you no longer want visible, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. This is the main profile where your personal information, experience, and activity are displayed. Getting to your profile first is important because that's where LinkedIn organizes the content connected to your account, including your recent interactions and posts. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the activity section. Depending on how much information is on your profile, you may need to scroll a little or quite a bit. The activity area is where LinkedIn groups your engagement, including posts, comments, and other actions associated with your account. If you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling steadily until it appears. After you've reached the activity section, look for the specific post you want to remove. When you find it, click the three dots on the post. This three-dot menu usually opens additional options related to that item. It's a common menu on LinkedIn, so if you've used the platform before, it may already look familiar. Take a second here to make sure you've selected the correct post before moving forward, especially if several posts look similar. From the menu that appears, click Delete Post. This is the option that removes the post from your activity. Once you select it, LinkedIn may ask you to confirm the action. If that happens, just review the prompt carefully and confirm only if you're sure. Keep in mind that deleting a post is generally intended to be permanent, so it's a good idea to double check before finalizing it. And that's it. By going to your profile, scrolling to activity, opening the three-dot menu on the post, and selecting Delete Post, you can remove content you no longer want associated with your LinkedIn presence. If you're updating your profile regularly, it can be helpful to review your activity from time to time so your LinkedIn account reflects the most relevant and professional version of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly remove posts on LinkedIn.